Hey guys, welcome back. So in my previous video, I have explained how can we create Sling model for a React based AEM component, and then how can we basically export all the properties whatever we have in Sling model. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about as in how can we use a fake API and then we can integrate it in React based component. Okay, so what we have to do, so I'm using this fetch call, fetch function, and this is a fake API. I'm just using out of the box fake API one server available. This is JSON placeholder.typicode.com. Let me just show you. If I just put this URL in the browser, so basically it's returning user ID. It's just fake API I'm trying to integrate, and what I want is if I get response from this API, then just print it in browser console. That's it, as in nothing much. Okay, so this is my render function, and I'm returning some statement as in div here. So within my render only, I'll just put it like this. Okay. And maybe one more thing we will see. Basically in previous video I have explained how we have created properties in Sling model, and how we are exporting using .model.json. So in case if I want to add new property, so that property will also reflect. Nothing to do, we'll just add a getter for that. So maybe I will say my new property, and let me just return some string. Okay, let's install this code. So basically two changes I have done. I have just added one new method, new getter for the new property, and inside my React component I have added this fetch call to a fake API. Let me install the package now. Okay, it's done. Now let's first see now this model.json what it's returning. So if we see, our new property is also coming. Okay, so this is how we can just change the Sling model, and then expected property we can add as a getter, and then it will return the value. Okay, the second thing is we just added a fetch call to a new fake API. So what I'm going to do, I'll just refresh this page. Okay, and let me go to console. I will just clear everything, and let me just submit it. Okay, and we are having this. If we see this is the fake API, user ID, title, and the same information we are getting, we just print it on the console. Okay, and since we are able to get that data, we can actually process this data, and if we want to return it within our DOM, we can return it. Okay, so this is how we can fetch any API from React code, and we can add properties also in the Sling model. So that's it in this video, and I hope you will get benefit out of it. Thank you so much for watching.